Okay, what I have going on here today is the Euro USD. We were looking for the reversal. Okay, we got it in a little bit right here when it approached the 50. We knew when it was under the T line here on the 15-minute chart, we were going to get the reversal signal that we wanted. Because all of these are pointing down. We got a 30-minute chart, T line is pointing down. 15-minute chart, T line is pointing down. Let's go over here to higher time frames, 1 hour chart. Yes, it is time for the price to go in a different direction. Now, how far it will go down, I don't know. I was speculating early this morning that it would go to 1.07. Look at how much time left. We got 7 more hours left before the currency close, or is it 4 hours or 6 hours? Either or, it has enough time to go. Now, I don't think it's going to hit low 1.07, but I think it might close around in the 1.07797 or 77 range. Yeah, here we go, right up in here, in this range here. Or if at least we'll touch that price. Now, it may not do it today, possibly Sunday, but we know the euro is inflated. Mario Draghi was smoking PCP yesterday, and he just wanted to get the euro up because he knew what the non-farm payroll would have did to it if the price was down at 1.5. We'd have had parity today. Okay? So, that's why he did that. He was trying to avoid parity, and he did a very good job. Obviously, I didn't see any GDP figures released this morning, even though I waited up for them. I did not see them. I'm going to check now to see if they even came out. They had erased the whole issue off the... Okay, now, see, Mario Draghi is coming out at 11 o'clock. This speech was not in here earlier today, this morning. And you can see, we go back in time. Yes, he took out the GDP Q over Q and Y year over year. So, we know Mr. Draghi is doing drugs, and he is lying today. He's coming in. He didn't have the speech this morning, and he's coming out at 11 o'clock. Central time. So it's 10 Central, it's 11 Eastern. Okay, so we have to see what Mario Draghi is doing. We have to find out. We have to find out what is happening here. What is happening? Because they did not release the GDP. And then he did not have a speech scheduled for 11 o'clock. So we know he's either going to say some more bullshit to boost the price, or he's going to say something to drop it because he know he has to, because if he did some bullshit with yesterday with his speech. So what we have now here though is a trade placed on the Euro USD to expire at noon right before his speech. Okay, so let us go here to the 15-minute chart. Like I said, let me show you my price point was in here. I'm going to put an arrow. That's why my computer is, as long as this thing continues to, okay, what is going on here? It's slowing down. Alright, hold on. Baby, don't fail me now. Alright, well, I don't know what's going on here. My computer is freezing up right now, so we will wait 1 minute or 2 minutes until it catches back up to form. Video's still rolling, so that's good. Computer didn't freeze up like that. But now I'm really concerned here because this morning the euro had some news and it didn't even come out. We know GDP is shrinking in that area. There is some things going on in that area that you can't handle. Okay? Canada's unemployment rate is quite high. I'm looking at it now. It's 7.1. Wow, that's amazing. Okay, let's go back to this Mario Draghi thing here. Okay, price is still continuing to fall. And when he comes in at 12 o'clock, he's going to try to push the price. He's seen my post on Facebook in my signal service last night, and he knew exactly what was going to happen when I said that shit. And now he's trying to change the future. But he cannot change the future. Okay? He cannot and will not change the future. So, when FOMC Dudley speaks, he's going to know that Mario Draghi is talking at the same time, and he's going to say something exciting. So, you know this guy was scared of parity yesterday. You can tell. And they took out the GDP. Come on, man. They took it out. It was here listed. I stayed up till 4 o'clock in the morning just waiting on the shit, and it did not come. They even took the whole section it had here in the app explaining what time and even the forecast that it had predicted for the actual numbers was gone. They took the shit off the phone, just wiped it away like, no, we did not schedule that. Then they inadvertently added this meeting at 11 o'clock. Mario Draghi. He's smoking PCP. I'm telling you, he's fucking up. He knows that we are going to have parity soon, and he is afraid of it. Because if we have parity, the Eurozone will collapse. They will be like, there's no point in having the euro. The whole reason for having the euro was for the value base. Now, if it loses all its value and it is at parity, there's no point. The Eurozone collapses. So, that is what he's trying to avoid, but he can't do it. There is no way. There is no way. The dollar is strong, unemployment is low, and it's going to keep getting lower. So, you can't, man, I am not going to sit here and let this dude play games. But anyway, back to the trade we put in. We came in here, let's see here, we have an arrow. We will turn this one around. Alright, I'm very, very excited. This guy thinks he's going to get away with his bullshit yesterday. No, he's not. The price will fall. The price will fall. So this is where we're at that exact price. It was 106. Since the position of the bar, I am not going to make it red like I normally do. The arrow, I'm going to make it like a purple so it sticks out. No, that's not a good color. We'll do yellow. That sticks out. Okay. So we did 9106. We will do the ABC, the text here, and we will write it in. Put euro slash, whoops, that's a period, USD target. Okay, come on. Target 1.09 106, right? Yes. 9106 109 106. Okay. Now that is what we're doing. Entrance was and what time was it? It was a little bit before the top of the hour, so we will say 10:54 EST, and the exit is 12 p.m. EST. Okay, alright, there we go. Alright, so let us change this here over in a 5-minute chart. Alright, so this is the classic trend. It will touch the T line and it will go back down. This is classic. This is not going to continue to go up. There is no way. Price is closed below the 20 and the 50 on the 15-minute chart. T line is pushing downward. So we know the price will continue to fall. And we will have no discrepancy here. Price maybe will close in this region today, but I am thinking more somewhere here, 1.8 or lower, okay? But more with the 1.07. Alright, man. That's it for now. So that is the analysis we're doing. We seen the T line closing, or the price closing under the T line on the 15-minute chart, approaching the 20. We have multiple tests. We have 3 tests here throughout this day. Let me see. We have 3 tests throughout this day. Right here. Let's pull them up. We have one here this morning at a yeah, right. I said this. The price will not hold. They will not hold this price today. And we have the test here. One test here. This morning when the news came out again, it was another test. Obviously, it passed all 3 tests, but we know probability and statistics and averages. It is not going to pass this test. This test will fail. Okay? Because I changed the questions. And he thinks he has a cheat sheet, but he does not. We will win this trade, and the price will continue to fall for quite some time, maybe 1 hour, 2 hours time. Okay, so that is the analysis for today. We waited, we did fundamental, no GDP this morning because Draghi was smoking PCP. He is going to speak in 1 hour of more PCP. So we know the price is going to go down until he starts talking that drunk shit. So that's it. I'll see you next time. Have a good day.